They might look like ordinary golf carts, but push the accelerator and you'll quickly discover these are anything but standard vehicles. Welcome to Golf Cart Chronicles. I'm Matt White, and today we're diving into the exhilarating world of high-performance golf carts. From street-legal speed demons to all-out racing machines, we're exploring how enthusiasts are taking these vehicles far beyond their humble origins. The quest for more power, better handling, and higher speeds has created an entire industry dedicated to maximizing golf cart performance. Today, we'll break down the science behind the modifications that transform everyday golf carts into exceptional machines. Throughout our series, we've seen how golf carts enhance communities, explored their versatility in different environments, and examined what goes into making smart purchasing decisions. Today, we are pushing the boundaries of what these vehicles can do. We're taking you to the Golf Cart Braggin Rights event here in Rockingham, North Carolina. We're at the Rockingham Dragway, where competitors race specially modified golf carts to reach speeds you have to see to believe. You'll meet the builders, the drivers, and the manufacturers behind this growing motorsport. Whether you're looking to add a little extra speed to your neighborhood cruiser or build a competition-ready performer, today's episode will show you what's possible when engineering and passion come together. This is Golf Cart Chronicles from Sierra LSV. When it comes to golf cart performance, there's a common misconception that these vehicles are inherently slow and underpowered. But that couldn't be further from the truth. With the right modifications, today's golf carts can deliver impressive speed, handling, and power. Performance enhancement falls into several key categories, each addressing different aspects of the vehicle's capabilities. Let's start with the heart of any golf cart, the motor. Golf cart motors come in two primary types, DC and AC. Traditionally, DC motors have dominated the market with their simplicity and torque. But AC motors are gaining popularity for their efficiency and maintenance advantage. Upgrading your motor can dramatically change your cart's personality. Higher power options provide better acceleration and hill climbing mobility, while specialized racing motors can push speeds well beyond what the factory settings are.
So the golf carting game kind of started with off-lease golf carts coming off of golf courses. Those carts range between 13 and 19 miles per hour off the golf course. And then people are putting them into campgrounds, gated communities, fixing them up, making custom carts. Navitas has a DC replacement controller that's 400 and 600 amps on a 23-inch wheel that's going to get you 22 to 25 miles per hour. You can upgrade the motor, you can add more voltage for a little more speed. And then Navitas has our TAC2, so that's an AC motor and AC controller. That's going to get you speeds of 35 miles per hour on 48 volts and 40 plus miles an hour on 72 volts. And then the ultimate race package we offer is a 850 amp, 7.5 kilowatt kit. That's the 50 to 65 mile an hour racing ultimate package product that we offer.
Just as important as the motor is the controller, essentially the brain of your cart's electrical system. Stock controllers are designed with conservative parameters for safety and battery preservation. Performance controllers allow for higher amperage, which translates directly to more power. Many are also programmable, letting you adjust acceleration curves, top speed, and regenerative braking characteristics. The battery system is the third piece of the performance puzzle. Voltage is key here. Most stock carts run on 36 or 48 volts, but performance builds often increase to 60, 72, or even higher. But higher voltage creates more heat and strain on components, so supporting upgrades are essential. Beyond the electrical system, mechanical modifications can significantly impact performance. Gear ratio adjustments are among the most effective, trading some torque for higher top speeds. Weight reduction follows the same principles as automotive racing. Less weight means better acceleration and handling. Aluminum components, lightweight bodies, and minimalist designs can shave significant pounds. Going faster is only beneficial if you can control that speed. That's where handling upgrades become crucial. Suspension upgrades improve both comfort and control. Performance shocks, heavy-duty springs, and sway bars can transform how a cart handles corners and rough terrain. Responsive steering is critical at higher speeds. Upgraded steering boxes, tie rods, and bushings reduce play and improve feedback to the driver. And perhaps more importantly, braking power must match your performance upgrades. Larger drums, hydraulic disc conversions, and performance pads provide the stopping power needed for these higher speeds. Larger diameter wheels can increase top speed, while tire compound and tread pattern influence the grip and efficiency. And as Uncle Ben said wisely to Peter Parker, aka Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility. Performance modifications bring important safety considerations. Roll bars, harnesses, and structural reinforcements become increasingly important as speeds rise. For street legal carts, there are additional considerations. Many jurisdictions limit LSVs to 25 miles per hour, requiring speed governors. Additionally, modifications may affect your insurance coverage or even the vehicle's classification. The beauty of golf cart performance enhancement is that you can tailor it to your specific needs. Whether you want better hill climbing ability for your neighborhood, improved acceleration for utility tasks, or all-out speed for recreational use, there's a modification path that makes sense. Performance doesn't necessarily mean breaking the bank. Basic upgrades like controller adjustments and improved wheels and tires can deliver meaningful improvements without major investment. For those with deeper pockets, the possibilities expand dramatically. High output motors, advanced lithium battery systems, and custom suspension setups can transform a standard cart into something quite extraordinary. When budget constraints disappear, the only limits are your imagination and engineering ability. Whether you're making modest enhancements or building a high-performance machine, understanding these fundamental principles will help you make informed decisions. Now, let's see what happens when enthusiasts take these concepts to the extreme.
Your life, your style, your ride. With Sierra LSV's lineup of customizable vehicles, there's a perfect match for every adventure. Loaded with premium features and backed by industry-leading warranties. Because the best memories happen when you're having the most fun. Sierra LSV, make it yours.
Welcome to Rockingham Dragway in North Carolina, home to an event that showcases golf cart performance pushed to its absolute limits. This is the Golf Cart Braggin Rights. This event runs alongside the larger streetcar bragging rights competition. But make no mistake, these golf carts command their own spotlight. What began as a novelty has evolved into a serious racing category with dedicated competitors and a growing spectator appeal. The concept is simple: straight line acceleration and a head-to-head format. But the execution is anything but basic. These purpose-built machines share little with their golf course ancestors, beyond their basic shape. Most competitors start with standard golf cart frames, but replace virtually everything else. Tailor-made motors, specialized controllers, and high-voltage battery systems combine to create astonishing performance. So the racing is divided into several classes based on modifications and capabilities, giving competitors at different budget and experience levels a chance to compete. Categories range from stock classes with limited modifications to unlimited divisions where virtually anything goes, as long as it started life as a golf cart. The preparation is as intense as any motorsport. Teams fine-tune their setups, charge batteries to precise levels, and make last-minute adjustments based on track conditions. Through all this, safety is paramount in this high-speed environment. Every driver must wear a helmet, pants, closed-toe shoes as just basic protection. Event officials check for these requirements during tech inspection. The more competitive builds often incorporate additional safety elements voluntarily. The fastest carts in the field feature roll cages, racing harnesses, emergency kill switches, even fire suppression systems. This spectrum of safety preparation reflects the diverse nature of the competition. From weekend enthusiasts to dedicated builders pushing the performance envelope to very much extremes. The battery systems alone represent major investments. High discharge lithium packs designed specifically for racing applications can cost thousands of dollars, but they deliver the consistent power needed for competitive runs.
So in the racing community, Navitas has developed our TAC 850 amp 7.5 kilowatt controller kits. This is allowing guys, depending on the voltage, to get upwards of 65, 70 miles an hour in the eighth mile. Much larger controller, really not for the average golf cart use, but definitely for the aftermarket racing community. Definitely not for everybody, but it's a lot of fun, and we want to support the dealers that are out here racing today, and we built a specific kit for this opportunity. Similar to our other products, it's all Bluetooth enabled. There are settings for adjusting speed, torque, gear ratios, amperage draw, depending on what the battery is able to provide the controller to get it up to speed.
For spectators, the appeal is multifaceted. The novelty of seeing golf carts perform in unexpected ways, but also the appreciation for the engineering and driving skills involved. The competition is often incredibly close, with races decided by hundredths of a second. Unlike some motorsports where complex aerodynamics and massive budgets dominate, golf cart racing still has an accessibility that connects with fans. Sierra LSV is a sponsor here at the event, so I got the chance to ask them, what is it about this extreme competition that connects with the stock golf cart market?
So even though we don't typically have a drag racing vehicle, so to speak, we decided it'd be a good idea to come out, sponsor this event, and just really support the industry and our dealers, and just kind of ingrain ourselves a little more in this market. That's not just the big expos and other events.
While the racing carts push the performance envelope, stock carts serve a different but equally important role, shuttling officials, equipment, and teams throughout the event grounds. Just as we saw in the motocross world, these utility vehicles have become essential to racing operations, proving that performance and practicality can coexist in the golf cart ecosystem.
So from the 3-wheel stick steer golf carts to the 70-mile-per-hour dragsters that you see on the track now, the evolution of the golf cart is really expanding. Just not just a typical golf course or neighborhood cart anymore. They're at drag races, they're at motocross races, people use them on farms. The evolution is really unique, and this is just another part of that evolution, is getting out to the drag races, seeing what these dealers and customers are modifying these carts so they can, just smoke most cars on the road. So it's good to see all the different carts and the customization that people have done to their personal carts. But it's also really cool to just see how the vehicles themselves have evolved from not just functional and being a course cart, but more luxury and comfort things like the wireless cell phone chargers and the armrests and the bolstered seats. So it is nice to see the industry just continue to evolve.
Beyond the competition, there's a strong community aspect. Competitors freely share knowledge, parts, and even tools to keep each other racing. The camaraderie rivals the competition for sure. Golf Cart Braggin Rights exemplifies the passion that drives the performance side of this community. From modest beginnings, these races have evolved into legitimate motorsport, with dedicated competitors pushing the boundaries of what these vehicles are capable of. It's the perfect illustration of how far the humble golf cart has come, from country club convenience to drag strip dominator.
Remember the pace of life before you ever had a life? Yeah, so do we. So when you embark on an afternoon adventure, the ride should be half the fun. So here's to the freeway, rush hour, traffic jams, and detours. This is a new pace with no rushed hours, simply taking in the scenery before the sun settles below those clouds, and remembering to live just for a moment in the moment. Your older self is going to thank you. Sierra LSV, just my speed.
From From basic performance upgrades to extreme racing builds, we've seen today how the quest for speed and performance continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with golf carts. Whether it's upgrading your motor and controller for better neighborhood performance, or building a quarter-mile monster for the drag strip, the engineering possibilities are virtually endless. We've explored the science behind motor upgrades, battery configurations, and handling improvements. Then we witnessed those principles taken to the extreme at Golf Cart Braggin Rights. What's clear is that the golf cart performance community combines serious engineering with genuine camaraderie, proving that speed and friendship can go hand in hand. The innovation happening in performance golf carts continues to influence the broader LSV market, with racing-developed technologies eventually making their way into everyday vehicles. It's a perfect example of how passion projects drive industry advancement. Next time on Golf Cart Chronicles, we'll continue exploring the diverse world of golf cart culture with another fascinating look at how these versatile vehicles are changing lives and communities. Until then, I'm Matt White, and thanks for watching Golf Cart Chronicles from Sierra LSV.